The future simple tense is a crucial grammatical concept in the English language that is often used to talk about future actions, including in the context of cooking. When discussing future culinary endeavors, the future simple tense is used to describe what will be done in the kitchen, from preparing ingredients to cooking a delicious meal. In this tutorial, we will explore how the future simple tense is used in cooking and provide numerous illustrative examples to help ESL students grasp this concept. One common use of the future simple tense in cooking is to talk about future plans and intentions related to preparing a meal. For example, I will make a lasagna for dinner tonight. In this sentence, the future simple tense is used to indicate that the speaker has an intention to cook a lasagna in the future. Another way the future simple tense is used in cooking is to describe a step-by-step process of cooking a dish. For instance, first, I will chop the vegetables. Then I will sauté them in a pan. Here, the future simple tense is used to outline the sequence of actions that will take place in the cooking process. Additionally, the future simple tense can be used to make predictions or talk about future possibilities in cooking. For example, if you add too much salt, the dish will be too salty. In this sentence, the future simple tense is used to indicate a future outcome based on a certain action. Furthermore, the future simple tense can be used to give instructions or guidelines for cooking. For instance, you will need to preheat the oven before baking the cake. Here, the future simple tense is used to convey a necessary step that must be taken in the cooking process. In conclusion, the future simple tense plays an important role in describing future culinary endeavors. By using this tense, ESL students can effectively communicate their intentions, plans, processes, predictions, and instructions related to cooking. By practicing the future simple tense in the context of cooking, students can enhance their language skills and become more proficient in discussing culinary activities.